Hey tribe, first off, I want to apologize. I didn't post last week. I've been a little quiet here on YouTube, but that's only because I've been super busy behind the scenes creating some very empowering tools for you. If you want to take a look, they're up now on sale in my online shop at Etsy called Soul Sense by Estar. I'll leave the link below. But today I'm back with something short and powerful. We are going to talk about 5 quick mental health tips you can use whenever you are feeling empty or emotionally flat. These are simple grounding practices that you can do anytime, anywhere, and they really do make a difference. So let's get to it. Tip number 1, create sharp sensations. One of the fastest ways to shake off that empty feeling is by waking up your senses. For example, you can bite into a lemon or hold an ice cube or splash cold water on your face. It's almost like pressing the reset button on your nervous system. The sharp sensation says to your brain, hey, I'm here, I'm alive. And that's a little jolt. It's sometimes all you need to get back into the moment. Tip number 2, describe something as you would to a blind person. This is one of my favorites when I feel disconnected. Pick anything around you, your coffee mug, your shoes, or even your hands, and imagine you had to describe it to someone who can't see. Notice the textures, the colors, the weight, the details you normally ignore, the wrinkles, the ridges. It's such a simple exercise, but it pulls you right out of autopilot and into mindfulness. Life doesn't feel so dull because you're actually noticing things again. Tip number 3, focus on your breathing. Now, this might sound obvious, but trust me, it works. Place your hand on your chest or belly and just follow your breathing for, say, 30 seconds. No pressure, no perfection, just notice. So you inhale through your nose, hold for a second or two, and then you exhale slowly. Do that a few times and you feel your shoulders drop or your heart rate slow or your mind starts to settle. It's like giving yourself a tiny pause in the middle of chaos. It really does work. Number 4, eat something mindfully. This one sounds funny, but it's powerful. Next time you eat or drink something, don't just shove it in while feeling distracted. Just take a moment. Notice the taste, the smell, the texture. Pretend you are describing it to someone who's never tasted or smelled anything before. Could be a cup of tea, a piece of fruit, or chocolate. Mindful eating reconnects you with the richness of life and shows you there's more depth in small things than you realize or pay attention to. Tip number 5, pick a random object and list its uses. Finally, this is a playful one. You grab something random, a pen, a pillow, a spoon, and challenge yourself to come up with as many uses for it as possible. It sounds silly, but what you're actually doing is rewiring your brain into creativity and possibility instead of being stuck in that heavy fog. Your mind starts opening up again. It's a fun way to remind yourself you're capable of new thoughts and fresh perspectives. So there you have it. 5 quick little things you can try when life feels a bit flat or empty. So create sharp sensations, bite into a lemon, hold ice cubes, describe something as if you would to a blind person, the textures, the colors, and every detail. Focus on your breathing, hand on chest or belly, slow inhales and exhales. Eat something mindfully, savor the taste, smell, texture. Pick a random object and list its uses. This will challenge your brain into creativity and possibility. Remember, it's not about fixing everything overnight. It's about giving yourself small, simple ways to reconnect with yourself. So I'll be sharing more of these tools in the coming weeks. So if you don't want to miss them, just hit the subscribe button, join me here, share with a friend, and make a comment if you'd like. And if you'd like to go deeper, I've been creating some very empowering tools which you can find on my Etsy shop, Soul Sense by Estar. They are made with love and they might give you an extra layer of support on your journey. Thank you for spending time with me today. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in the coming weeks. In gratitude, bye for now.